Cosine law applications question 3. Find the greatest angle of a triangle in which the side lengths are 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Okay, let's make one triangle which has different sides. Okay, let us say this is our triangle. Good. Now let's label this as A, B and C. And the sides given to us are 6, 7 and 8. Let's say this is 6, this is 7 and this is 8. Okay. Now that is our triangle and we need to figure out the greatest angle of the triangle in which the side lengths are given to us, right? Now, the greatest angle should be which angle? The angle opposite the longest side. So that is the angle which we are really interested in figuring out, right? Now in this case, since we have three sides, so which law will you use? Sine or cosine? We are given three sides, right? We are given three sides. We need to find an angle. Then the only option for us is to use cosine law, right? So we'll use cosine law. Now, see this. Cosine law actually gives you, so from cosine law we can find what the angle is and how. By rearranging the formula. I'll show you how to rearrange the formula and figure it out, right? We need to find angle B because that is opposite to 8 and 8 is the longest side, correct? Generally, the formula would be B squared is equals to, these two are A and C, let us say. I'm just writing a general formula here, A square plus C square minus 2 times AC cos of angle B. Now if you have to find angle, then you have to rearrange the formula. So we can rearrange like this. You can write this on the left side and we get 2A times C times cos of B is equals to A square plus C square minus B square. And from here cos of B is equals to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2 times AC, right? So, and what will be B equals to? So angle B will be equals to cos inverse of A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. So that is the formula to be used, right? So here we know all the sides. So we can plug in the values and figure out what this angle is, right? So it is cos inverse of, so always see this, if this is the angle, then these are the two sides which you have to take. So we have 6 square plus 7 square minus the opposite side, which is 8 square divided by 2 times 6 times 7, right? And now we can use the calculator and find the answer. So the answer should be, so let's do the numerator first, which is 6 square plus 7 square minus 8 square equals to something, right? And that is divided by, within brackets, 2 times 6 times 7 within brackets equals 2. And we get 1 over 4. So cos inverse of 1 over 4 is the second function. Cos inverse equals to 75.52 degrees. So we get here 75.52 degrees, right? Now, if it is not mentioned that rounded answer to so many places, then you can round it to a whole number, right? And we say, well, the angle, the greatest angle will be, angle in this case is angle B, which is equals to approximately 76 degrees, right? If they say round to 1 degree or 10th of place or 1 decimal place, in that case it will be 75.5 degrees, right? If they have not mentioned, we can write like this as 76 degrees, correct? So that is how we do these problems. So this kind of question is important because here we are trying to show you how the sine law formula can be interchanged to find the angle. Normally we had been finding the length of the sides, right? So that is how you need to change and do the cos inverse of the angle to find the angle, correct? I hope you understand it. If there are any difficulties, write down your comments and share them with us. Thank you.